Wait, how is it zoomed out? Isn't Notion.ahk running yet? It is. Okay. Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is September 21st, 2022. 9:05 p.m. and so late. I have no strength to do anything. Bruh. But I can definitely do this. New Zealand 4K scenic relaxation. All credits to Scenic Relaxation channel. Let this play. So, okay, 21st September. I woke up at 5:30 today. Yeah, woke up at 5:30. By 6:45, I was done with the entire morning schedule and everything. I tried keeping a 15-minute window, so I thought I'll take Snowy down by 7 o'clock. But he was already waiting there, kinda excited to go down. Bruh. And from above I could feel like, okay, yeah, it is like slightly raining, it's wet, it's kinda raining. But when I went down, it was raining. It was like proper raining, and there is no way I could take him for a walk in that. And there was no raincoat situation. Even if we put a raincoat, he doesn't walk in it. So second time, yesterday evening also same thing happened. I went down, I stood in the passageway. I couldn't take him out because it started raining out of nowhere. Even morning same thing happened, and I dejected and disappointed came back up with him, and I did give him a meal though. He hadn't eaten anything. So in the morning schedule, I was watching just random YouTube videos. Again, Erindel, I want to be taking his geometry notes course. Really interested in doing that because I just came across one random video of his where he made like an entire scene out of just one node tree, and that is like next level procedural modeling and even animation inside Blender. And really interested in learning that. Like that is like kind of my kind of jam. Anyway, I did make one improvement in Adobe Illustrator today as far as the auto hotkey script is concerned. So if I just open any Illustrator file, let's say I open this random file, provided.ahk is running. Now let me just ungroup this, place this button somewhere here. If I press G6, it will come to the very bottom. Like let's say this 5 wasn't here. Then if I take this and press G6, it'll come to the very bottom, wherever it is, just G6, because a lot of the times I have to do, for example, this horizontal line, vertical line, and then it comes there. So those two steps can be done with just here G6. And if I was to show you what the AHK script is doing, because that's the only thing that can add value in this video, and there have been videos where no value at all from an objective standpoint. Anyway, G6, center horizontal plus vertical, mouse get pause, X pause, Y pause. We're getting the current location of the mouse and storing it in these variables. Mouse move 858:45. You open Windows Pie and go into Illustrator, and you take your mouse over here. The one you have to use is screen less often used, which is weird, right? Bruh. You come in here, that is the one that works. So 855:40, that's where that is coming from, 858:45, and 940:45 is you move the mouse over here. And before moving there, you give mouse click left, and then mouse move back to the current location where it was, as if nothing happened, which is nice. And then return is important, because then if you just not put return here, and so it was escaping out of the AHK file itself. Anyway, that was one interesting thing that I had done today. Other than that, it was primarily just working for Shopflow video. I know, like, how many documentations have gone through talking about Shopflow's video. Finally, the call today at 4:30 was the definitively last round of feedback. There are a few things, minor things here and there I have to adjust and submit the video tomorrow. As far as making the video is concerned, I'm pretty much done. The only thing that will be left for that video is now I'll get the voiceover done by professional artists, and I'll have to replace that. That's the only thing left with it. And tomorrow, for the full-time job, I'll have to start working on the Tata video, definitely tomorrow. And other than that, these days are where Garima, who's the latest joinee in my team, I'm trying to almost integrate her into the system and make sure that she has no problems or anything. I sometimes feel like I'm over caring, like over helping, to the point that it might just be like interfering, but I don't know. That's just the nature. It's just like, if somebody's in my team, I'm gonna make sure that they're not troubled in any way, form, whatever. Just gonna sit and watch this beautiful scenery for a while. Bruh. Casey Neistat is uploading again his video back in New York City. Love it. Big time fan. Incredible creator. He's back in New York City now and is uploading again. So looking forward to his vlogs. Of course, they're not gonna be daily. If they're daily, it's amazing. But yeah, whatever it is, it's gonna be fun. That's it for me today. Thanks so much for being in the Khud. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.